box?
Three-piece set.
Three-piece set.
Yeah, I paid $200 for these.
$200 for 3 pieces.
Line box.
Again, don't know what's in these. So here we go. We got the safety cutter.
Because of me.
Here we go. Ooh my. Right off the top, I already see some good stuff here. Yeah, buddy. Life proof for your iPhone 11.
Oh yeah, it's got the little holes. Oh, this is a good one. It's got fitted holes for your
yeah, it goes right in there.
for your lenses here.
Yep.
Life-proof's good. Life-proof's waterproof.
Right in there.
Dirt-proof,
Right in
snow-proof, drop-proof.
You got a double braided nylon Type C charger.
That's
that's my cable I got. I stole.
dark gray. Dark gray.
Filmed me behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes. Amazon warehouse. Says great deals. Don't know what's really in it, but let's. Oh my.
all I know is
That is a big cable.
I'm gonna have to invest in another hairdryer to get this.
Is that
fixed.
HDMI?
That looks like a long. Wow, that looks like a 150-foot HDMI cable.
Yeah. Look at the length on that sucker.
Oh man.
Good lord.
Oh, freight.
Nice.
One freight endo.
Oh, is it a freight in?
Yeah,
yeah,
right
right.
here on the end. And it's not even frayed.
No, bump right out. Don't worry.
Polished that.
There we go.
Wait, was that
On
fiber?
to the next pile. You got an Xbox One remote.
Allegedly. What's inside?
Xbox One remote. Actual Xbox One
Oh,
remote.
complete with the
Yeah, with the
batteries
batteries
they ship
still.
with 'em.
Yep.
Power cell. Or
Somebody couldn't figure out how to get it to work, probably.
not compatible
Not compatible with, my Xbox.
with their
bro.
original Xbox.
Oh, great. More open toner cartridges. This is just how people get rid of them nowadays.
People buy a new printer, really. I mean,
Yeah.
this scam is horrible.
Yeah, it's a common one. Oh my god, I don't know what this is. The box looks like they made it inside out. And they did. They
Speaker
made
mounts.
it inside out. Yes,
Oh, yeah,
they are
speaker
speaker
mounts.
stands
Oh wait,
for pile.
But there is
pile
one.
Oh, what is
speaker
your
stands. Oh look, they still got all the bags of screws and everything. So
Oh, that
I
might be good.
just don't know why they put it inside out.
Oh,
But
Yeah, I'll check the shovel parts are there.
it's cool. This is the extra capacity black.
Oh, nice. That's a keeper?
yeah, that's a keeper.
This is a keeper too. This has one cartridge.
Oh, still good.
One good cartridge. One new.
One good cartridge.
Who needs a 2-pack?
Amazon Basics. Display port to DVI.
Ooh,
Oh, that's
nice.
heavy.
I just bought one of those.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is in there.
Way to go.
Display port to DVI.
That's a nice
Whoa, that is nice.
We got some more Epson printer cartridges. You know,
Oh, open that.
guys.
they're all open.
No, this one, this yellow's closed.
You got an OtterBox for a Samsung Galaxy S8.
S8.
Yeah,
that's
that's
what
what
I
you
got
have.
plus though.
Oh, okay. It's clear.
Thanks again, guys.
I do need to
Great
know.
job. Use them up, ship them back.
Oh, hey, you were just talking about one of these adapter deals for your iPhone.
Oh man, I need. Oh man.
Look at that. So you can have your speaker jack for those bows out of the last one.
Oh,
So,
what was
keep an eye out for those.
Little size difference.
Yeah.
was this in the box?
Got a portable boombox.
Oh man.
Oh, excuse me. Yeah, oh, it does say boombox.
That's
Okay.
straight
I thought I
out.
was dating myself there.
Oh no. It's
That's
retro
straight out.
looking.
Oh, yeah.
That's straight out of Compton. So.
No, that's retro looking. It has a remote.
Oh, jeez.
It's made to look.
No, it doesn't have a remote. You can plug your iPhone
Oh, no.
directly into it.
Oh, better. This
Yeah.
thing's made to look like it came out of the 80s.
Yep. You can put it on your shoulder, walk around.
Which one of the kids are gonna fight over that?
That's for your children.
All right, what is this? A Honeywell. Oh, it's a safe.
Oh, that's it.
That's 3 all day now.
No, it's an actual just
Oh, no.
Honeywell home office safe.
And I
little-
had one. I
Little
can't
tiny
here.
lockbox. These are actually supposed to be quite nice. I need to get myself one of them.
think we
I
have,
think we can find you one.
we have a couple. We have a couple live and listed already.
We also have another USB Type-C, power delivery, and car charger.
Ooh.
And it's just the car charger. No cable.
Well, we got a few people.
Amazon warehouse here. What is this? Another couple. Oh, somebody replaced their phone cases and they decided to return the old one along with it.
It's okay.
Oh, unless they're the ones that I think they're the two-piece. Yeah, it's
Oh,
two-piece
two-piece.
with the clippy belt clip.
Oh.
Put it on your belt if you really want to be cool.
There you go. I got the little fireboxes right there.
Oh yeah,
Good little guys.
yeah,
I use one.
yeah. There you go with the belt clip.
That's where I hide the candy when the grandkids come over.
Let's see what this thing is. Supplies print your colorful life.
Oh,
That's
that's
starter cartridge.
yay! Or inkjets, like really fluorescent colored inkjets.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, there you go.
Alright. Oh yeah, it's a big old cartridge. Big old return cartridge. You know what? Here you go.
You deal with that.
First of all, don't buy remanufactured cartridges for
More
your laser
cartridges
jets.
and more cartridges.
Oh wait, but these are seals.
Wait, seal?
Is that
Buy
Okay,
manufactured
buy.
cartridges.
Wait, one seal, one not. But that's
Oh,
okay.
Oh, we can look at that, right?
got a power brick.
Allegedly, these are for a brother printer.
Oh, here you go. Precision mouse and keyboard.
Dongle?
Yeah, the dongle. The dongle that you can use for your mouse and keyboard.
We can marry that one up with that other mouse.
Yeah,
Oh,
got
you know what this is?
Power station?
This is like for like a Dreamcast or something, like the old school controllers or something.
Oh yeah.
Or
Looks like a
Retro controller
Genesis.
hub.
the Genesis?
Looks like-
There's Bugs Bunny in your face.
Yeah,
No, that's a Nintendo.
Is it
Is that
Nintendo?
Nintendo?
That's Nintendo.
The round?
Yeah, the round with the flat top.
Yeah.
there. So that'll work for a lot of your Nintendos though.
Yeah. And the last thing inside the box is another box of what is
So another box?
What is that, a printer?
Oh. Oh, this is for the console. It's got a mouse and keyboard.
Yeah.
Oh, for console? For a console game?
Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm looking at here. What is
Oh,
this?
nice. Oh, we were talking about that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there you go. Little HP
Aren't you cute?
Insta Ink.
I
There you go. And there it goes. Look at this thing.
Look at scan,
It's tiny.
copy, print, scan, copy, web.
Yeah. For everybody who's got an apartment, perfect size, doesn't take up a lot of space.
You hear that, New York City? Or San Francisco?
Or Chicago.
No, buy from San Francisco. The shipping's cheaper. Please.
Or LA.
Oh.
Get your
Your
LA LA Dodgers. All you Dodger fans out there.
Who?
LA Dodgers.
Never heard of them.
Never heard of them. All
Go
right.
nice.
Wait, how do you save up to 50% on E? Oh, wait. Oh,
Because it doesn't take any.
no, I think that
It's an inkless printer. All right.
thermal color print.
That'll be it for this box. Stay tuned. We got 2 more boxes. So here we go.